I did a video a while back that gave you a couple of places to buy food online if your local grocery store happened to be out of whatever it is you wanted. I then said I would order from one of them and see how it works out and see about the cost of shipping and if it makes it worthwhile or not. This is Linda from Let's Talk Prepping, and I've put that original video link in the description below. And I ordered from, it was called Webstrauantstore.com, and I wrote that up above for you. And it's a restaurant supply store, and we wondered if it would be worth it with the high cost of shipping nowadays. So here's a copy of the order. Notice that the order was $127.96, but the shipping cost was $76.22, rather high. So is it worth it to order from one of these online places? And of course, all of them will have different shipping costs. Bear that in mind. So I just divided that evenly over the whole order. I know that's not exact, but it gives us a good comparison to the grocery store price. And it came to $7.93 per number 10 can. And that's equivalent. The number 10 can had 104 ounces in it, so that makes it equivalent to 7 15-ounce cans that you'd get from the grocery store. Now, when you divide that out, the price per 15 ounce is $1.13. So if you can get your grocery store cans for less than that, you'll save money. Otherwise, it is a good buy. However, I would not buy from them again because there were 24 cans in the total order and 10 of them were dented. A couple of them were really dented badly. All of the mandarin orange cans were dented. I don't know why they were, but all of them were dented. So keep that in mind if you order. But if they hadn't been dented, I would say this would be a great place to order from. Please comment, especially if you ordered from them previously and you got any dented cans. Let us know. Please subscribe, like the video, and comment. Thank you so much for watching.